Today we're making okonomiyaki. Yay!
We want to share with you guys an easy peasy, very special, very young, 4 years old actually. Yeah, we're gonna share with you a pea-loving kid. Your final guest makes everything easy peasy, literally. It's just like his Instagram name. He is the most adorable 4-year-old. His name is Jordan, and he loves to cook dishes from his Japanese and Korean cultures.
Delicious.
He is as delicious and sweet as peas themselves. Please check him out.
Hi Rachel! My name is Jordan. I'm 4 years old. Today we're making okonomiyaki. It's a savory Japanese pancake. Yay! First, put in your flour and then put in your water. Crack your egg. Mix, mix, mix. Now cabbage. Now we're gonna add pork. It's looking good. Now we're ready to cook it. Now add your oil.
Okay, that's good.
Now we wait. I'm the flip master. Now let's put on our toppings. Okonomiyaki sauce. Next, put your mayonnaise. And then your dried seaweed. Nori. Katsuobushi, which is bonito flakes. And then final step is beni shoga, which is pickled ginger. Ching! And that was easy peasy okonomiyaki. Here you go, Rachel.
Thank you to all of our guests today. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. We hope you did too. And we'll see you when we see you. Bye, everyone.
Bye.